Digital shopping should be fast, secure, and rewarding. That's why we're showing you how to use Beam Wallet for all your online purchases. It simplifies the checkout process, keeps your payment details secure, and gives you instant cashback. First, make sure you have the Beam Wallet app installed and your preferred credit or debit card securely added. Now, let's shop. Start by visiting any online store that supports Beam. Add your items to the shopping cart and proceed to the checkout page. When you see the payment options, look for the Pay with Beam or Beam Wallet button or link. Click it. A new window or pop-up will appear from the Beam gateway. This is where you authenticate your purchase. The screen will prompt you to open your Beam Wallet app on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your biometric scan or password. Inside the Beam app, you will receive an instant notification for the online purchase you are about to make. Review the transaction details, the merchant, the amount, and any applicable cashback. Select the card you want to use for the payment from your securely stored list within the Beam app. Confirm the transaction on your phone. Once confirmed in the app, the Beam Gateway window on your desktop or mobile browser will automatically refresh, showing a successful payment confirmation. It's that quick. Your purchase is complete, your payment details were never shared with the merchant, and your instant cashback is already in your Beam Wallet. Beam Wallet makes online shopping seamless, secure, and smart. Download the app today and transform your checkout experience.